Okay, welcome back to Riotouch again. This is Barry. Today, show you some news in the file tab. Based on the file tab and Umind, the library software, we're allowing you to deliver and handle all the things within the Umind, the library software. So let's back. We're going to use the library software with insert. We're allowing you to insert so many file tabs from PowerPoint, Word, Excel, even other file tabs. So let's assessing how to doing that. So I prepare like 13 different file tabs, so I was going to assess it one by one. Firstly, about the PSD file, which is normally used in Photoshop. Then let's check. With the PSD file, which is normally to be handled by Photoshop, then we are able to accessing just by here. It shows PDF file. And then let's shut it down and checking other file tab. Within order. The second thing was about Excel file. Based on Excel, we normally use the MS Office or the Microsoft Office or even .players to handle it, to read it and edit it. Just recite it. Here shows the difference between foremost by Riotouch ADV31 D2. So the image and the contents can be displayed well. Yeah. The second file tab, Excel file. Then let's accessing more file. To the video. No doubt question, and this can be displayed well. Now let's check in DWG file. DWG file will be operated by the CAD, which is needs to. Okay. We're still accessible and free to zoom in and zoom out. Now let's check again what we can do. This is by Xmind. Within Xmind, which is really the mind map. For the mind map, well, there is empty place, so you're missing we got failure. So actually not. There were still contents, and this map was too big to display all the things, so we are still success. And then let's check in what we can do based on the Umind and the library software. PowerPoint, okay, shows like .ppt file. Since the file is a little bit bigger, so it takes a longer time initiating. But if you use the MS Office like Microsoft Office or the WPS, which means easily to access it. Okay, take a longer time than ever. Okay. Here are the CKD and the SKD solutions. If you have needs and that's made in local solution, we can just deliver for you. Okay. Here it even shows different pages. Okay. Now let's check in. Let's check the docwords file. The docs file, I think we just handle it more complex PowerPoint file, and for the docs file, there won't be a question. Riotouch Umind, and here's like a user manual for the Umind. If you need this specific user guide for yourself to handling this Umind library software, I think we can deliver for you. Now let's check in. Selecting all and MP3 file. So we're free to access the. Looks like a little bit blocked here. Now let's quit it and enter the Umind again. So we're just texting the file tab from the PSD file, Excel file, video, CAD file like WDG, and even the XY file, the mind map, and also the PowerPoint, even the docs file, and also the MP3, even the boot up. Boot up means specific file type of the image. Then we can just got a preview here. Then let's check in is another video, audio, and even the larger things. Now I just selecting so much file types. Sorry, right. There's a ZIP file means very ZIP. Then I think this gonna take longer times. Just selecting 2 files. Okay, it's uploading and initiating unzipped. So now let's see what we can do on the DIP files. Here is a file preview of each things. That's all we can do. Now, I think we can still get a preview here, or even change. So, today's thing is about multi-file tab opens within the Umind Wiper software. Thank you for watching and listening.